case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2003, FedEx Corp and the United States were involved in a lawsuit before the United States District Court for the Western District of Tennessee, centered around tax law provisions that allowed businesses to deduct ordinary and necessary expenses for their operations during the current tax year. During the 1993 and 1994 tax years, FedEx conducted off-wing engine maintenance, leading to a dispute with the IRS regarding whether these expenses should be capitalized as non-deductible capital expenditures or treated as deductible business expenses. At issue was whether the maintenance costs were incurred for repairs of the engine or the aircraft as a whole, whether they added value to the aircraft, and FedEx's Powerplant Specification manual guidelines. Ultimately, the court ruled that the expenses incurred by FedEx during those tax years were deductible as ordinary and necessary business expenses, as they did not increase the value or lifespan of the aircraft but maintained their economic life. The unresolved matter in the case concerned the calculation of the Section 481 adjustment, which the parties had not yet agreed upon.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.